Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about physical changes in matter. Before we start, can anyone tell me what are physical changes in matter?
I know. Matter that has gone through a physical change can go back to its original form. Just like how we can change melted ice back to solid ice.
That's right.
But teacher, how do we know if a substance went through a physical change or not?
Well, let's find out. For this experiment, you will need table salt, a beaker half filled with water, a tablespoon, and an evaporating dish. To set up, add 2 spoonfuls of table salt into the beaker with water and mix well. Then, pour some of the salt solution into the evaporating dish. Heat the evaporating dish over a flame until the salt solution has dried up. Pause and observe what is left in the evaporating dish.
There are some white salt crystals that are left behind in the evaporating dish.
So class, based on the results, do you think that adding table salt into water is a physical change?
Yes. This is because we can return the table salt to its original form.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.